Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you something truly exciting for all the customization enthusiasts out there. If you have ever wanted to get that clean, smooth, and premium feel of OxygenOS 15 on your current device, you are in the exact right place. We're going to look at how to get the full OxygenOS 15 experience using a simple Magisk module on any rooted Android phone. It does not matter what custom ROM or stock firmware you are currently running. As long as you have root access, you can transform your device today. Make sure to watch carefully as we go through all the steps. First things first, let us open up our file manager and locate the necessary file. You will need to download the OxygenOS 15 Experience Magisk Module zip file, which I have placed right here in my Downloads folder. Make sure you do not extract this zip file, just leave it exactly as it is. It's a fairly lightweight package considering everything it brings to the table, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to system-wide modifications. Now, let us move on to the actual installation process. For this tutorial, I'm using the Kitsune Mask Magisk Manager, but the standard Magisk app works exactly the same way. Go ahead and open your Magisk Manager, then navigate over to the Modules tab at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the button that says Install from Storage. Now browse to the Downloads folder where we just saw our module and select the OxygenOS 15 Experience zip file. The flashing process will begin immediately. You will see lines of code scrolling down your screen as the installer extracts the files, applies the new system UI elements, replaces the boot animation, and pushes the new applications to your system partition. Once the flashing process says Done at the very bottom, simply tap on the Reboot button right there on the screen. Let your phone restart, and here we go. Right away, you can see the brand new OxygenOS 15 boot animation. It looks incredibly sleek, fluid, and gives your phone a completely fresh identity. Now that we're booted back up, let us take a look at the massive changes. Right off the bat on the home screen, you'll notice that the application logos have completely changed to match the official OxygenOS aesthetics. It looks incredibly uniform and clean. But it's not just icons. The module has successfully added several native OxygenOS applications right into our app drawer, bringing that authentic OnePlus functionality to our device. Let us swipe down the notification shade and jump into the settings menu. Look at this. The entire user interface of the setting page has been completely revamped. The toggles, the layout, and the spacing are all perfectly mirroring the true OxygenOS 15 experience. It makes the entire phone feel totally different and deeply integrated, rather than just a simple launcher theme. To verify everything is running properly under the hood, let us quickly jump back into the Kitsune Mask Magisk Manager. Going into the Modules tab, you can clearly see the OxygenOS 15 Experience module is perfectly installed and active. That's pretty much it for this transformation tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more awesome root modules and customizations. See you in the next one.